Do you experience sleepless nights to keep track of fleet vehicles' position? Are you making calls round the clock to your driver for updates? Most fleet owners worldwide faces this persistent issue of keeping track of vehicles, drivers and their expenses. But at Vamosis, we understand the intensity of the issue and the negative sum impact as well, which is creating on your business. Vamosis DRS application communicates with FleetOS application managed by the fleet owners. It helps the fleet owners to keep the following details regarding a trip: real-time status, loading, unloading, etc. Second, attention list. It is where the driver raises any new expenses request, report damages, fuel fill request, etc. Third is POD, that is proof of delivery. And fourth is complete trip expense details. Vamosis DRS application is one of a kind mobile app. It is a gamified language agnostic mobile app that will guide the driver without worrying which icon has to be clicked for each situation, like loading, unloading, etc. Driver can download the DRS application from Play Store and Apple App Store as well. Once downloaded, he can sign up with a mobile number which is also shared with the fleet owner. To use this application to its optimal level, the driver needs to allow the application to access the mobile camera, location, and media files. Once a trip has been assigned to a driver, he will receive a push notification to his registered mobile number, and the trip details will also reflect in the DRS application. Once the driver gets notified about the trip via DRS application, he can initiate the trip from the starting point to the assigned loading location. Upon reaching the consignment loading point, the driver can update the trip status through the DRS application from trip status or trip level page. Once the driver clicks on the icon, he will get a pop-up to update the location image, record a voice message and update it. It will reflect in the fleet owner's fleet dashboard, also in Trip Plans tab. The next step is to report if loading started by clicking on the second icon enabled, and the rest are disabled right now. Like the previous step, the driver has to follow the procedure for each and every icon available here. Once the consignment loading is completed, the driver has to click on the next icon enabled, and he can add the image and the voice message as well in the pop-up window. Again, the driver has to follow the same process for the unloading icon as well. Once the driver complete the unloading consignment and report the same to fleet owner with the help of DRS application, the trip will end here. Now we will see how a driver reports expenses and raise queries to the fleet owner with the help of his DRS application. For a transport driver and a fleet manager, communication is the key to conduct a fleet trip successfully. Driver will always need assistance from the fleet owner, and the fleet owner always need information about the trip status from the moment the trip starts. To cater the requirements of both parties, our DRS mobile application will help the driver communicate instantly regarding all the current expenses and can raise queries too. Every report and queries will be initiated to the fleet owner via FleetOS and saved in the account for further accounting purpose. Now next, the list of trip expenses like fuel fill, loading unloading charges, vehicle repairs, consignment damages expenses, parking fees, toll gate charges and other queries too. Most often, the fleet owners will give cash or credit a certain amount to the driver before initiating the trip. In such cases, fleet owners expect the driver to report all the expenses with proof of receipt or get permission before making any payments. But communication lag will lead to more spending, or sometimes the fleet owner goes unaware of expenses. So, our DRS application will bridge the communication gap between the driver and the fleet owner and log all the expenses without making a single call by either side. If the driver wants to report fuel fill or need an amount to fill the fuel, he can click on the tab mentioned here. He will get a pop-up to send a copy of receipt or send an invoice message requisition money for the fuel expenses to the fleet owner. Similarly, the driver can report or raise the expenses request by clicking on the appropriate icon present here and provide the relevant details to the fleet owner. If the driver has reported any expenses or raised any queries, the fleet owner gets a notification in the FleetOS application dashboard under the Attention tab. Upon receiving such a request, fleet owners can act on it by either accepting the expense request or edit the amount requested, or either they can cancel the proposal itself. Once the fleet owners responds to the expense request, all the responses are recorded under the Expenses and Query Status tab. So, if the driver has already raised a request for the fuel fill, so the driver can check the status of fuel fill in its tab itself. Similarly, the driver can also check the other expenses request in their respective tabs itself in the DRS application. I hope you have learnt about the complete workflow of DRS and FleetOS application. In case of any queries or need any assistance, please reach out to the customer support team or contact us through marketing@vamosys.com.